Welcome to the Sneaker Teacher channel. Today we're going to be going over change in tandem with an example with a graph. Remember, change in tandem describes how two different variables are going to change together. So for our function f that we're given as a graph, it's going to be increasing or decreasing, but not both. We want to be able to explain why. So our given interval here is from 2 to 9. So I'm kind of highlighting that on our graph. And what we're looking at, our graph is increasing. So as we go left to right for our x values, the y values are going up. So f is increasing on our interval between 2 and 9. And this is because as our x values increase, or your inputs, the y values are going to increase as well, those outputs.
And I'm your Sneaker Teacher. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you've got questions or want another problem. Don't forget to subscribe, keep your kicks fresh, and stay irrational.